U.S. Representative Lisa McClain, a high-ranking Republican from Michigan, announced during a congressional hearing that she has introduced a bill aimed at ensuring college athletes are not classified as employees of their schools, conferences, or athletic associations. Speaking before the Health, Employment, Labor, and Pensions Subcommittee, McClain framed the legislation as a necessary step to preserve the traditional model of college athletics. Her announcement came during a broader discussion on how potential employee status for college athletes could impact the structure of college sports and the role of the National Labor Relations Board. McClain, who currently serves as the House Republican Conference Chair, emphasized that her bill, titled the Protecting Student Athletes Economic Freedom Act of 2025, is narrowly crafted. It consists primarily of one central provision and definitions supporting it. The bill mirrors previous efforts by House Republicans, including one passed by the Education and Workforce Committee last year, though that measure never reached a full vote in the House. As the subcommittee hearing wrapped up, Chair Rick Allen voiced support for the initiative, encouraging fellow lawmakers to rally behind it. A statement released by McClain's office after the hearing included full committee chair Tim Walberg's endorsement, adding weight to the effort from within GOP leadership. The timing of the bill is significant. A U.S. District Court is currently considering final approval of a settlement related to athlete compensation antitrust lawsuits, a decision that could have major implications for the future of college sports. Meanwhile, the NCAA and Power IV conferences continue lobbying for federal legislation that would block athlete employee status, standardize rules for name, image, and likeness deals, and provide legal protection from additional antitrust litigation. On Wednesday, representatives from major athletic conferences and athletes themselves are scheduled to meet with lawmakers during an event dubbed College Sports Day on the Hill, aiming to influence the legislative direction on these issues. The broader context includes a shifting stance by the NLRB under different administrations. The board had been moving toward recognizing college athletes as employees during the Biden administration, spurred by complaints involving schools like USC and Dartmouth. However, with the end of Biden's term and concerns among athlete advocates about potential setbacks, the NLRB dropped those cases in late 2024. The Trump administration formally reversed the NLRB's position earlier this year, setting the stage for McClain's bill and similar proposals. In the Senate, legislative efforts continue under Senator Ted Cruz, who is working from a long-circulating draft bill that proposes a more expansive framework to address athlete compensation, rights, and the governance of college sports.